Hello lovely people, Alyssa here. Are you having trouble with mold and algae in your terrarium? Spores exist in the soil, on your plants, and rocks. They will often germinate in a moist terrarium with hardly any airflow. Today, let's talk about great ways you can keep mold and algae in check. Rubbing alcohol. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and gently wipe mold and algae off the glass and plants. Rubbing alcohol evaporates quickly after getting the job done. Hydrogen peroxide. Dip a cotton swab in diluted hydrogen peroxide and gently wipe the mold and algae off your glass and plants. You can get this sold purely as hydrogen peroxide or as bleach. If you buy it as bleach, check the ingredients and ensure it only says hydrogen peroxide, without anything else that might be harmful to your terrarium. Avoid chlorine bleach, which contains sodium hypochlorite instead. I've had success with 1 part hydrogen peroxide to 3 parts water. You can start with less to be on the safe side and test in small spots. It breaks down quickly and safely into oxygen and water. Phison 20 or commercial specialty products. I've also had success with commercially sold products like Phison 20. For Phison 20, I've used 1 spritz from a ready-to-use bottle diluted in 50 ml of water and misted the terrarium with long-lasting results. For commercial products, less really is more. Go easy to avoid damaging your plants. Opening the lid. Opening the lid can help lower the humidity level, introduce airflow and discourage algae and mold growth. Sometimes a terrarium may be overwatered, and this can help to balance the moisture level inside. Springtails. Add springtails. They're detritivores that munch on algae and mold, keeping your terrarium clean. Plus, they add a spice of life to your little landscape. In my experience, this is the most effective and long-term solution to mold and algae. You won't have to clean your terrarium yourself as frequently. You can still jump in for minor touch-ups if you're a bit of a perfectionist. Personally, I recommend keeping a stock of springtail cultures separately and feeding them with baker's yeast. You can transfer them into any terrarium that needs them. Once they are transferred into a terrarium, you do not need to feed them anything additional. They will live off the terrarium itself and keep it clean. Unlike snails, they are safe for your plants. I hope these tips will help you with mold and algae so you can enjoy your terrariums more. What are your favorite ways to get rid of mold and algae? Feel free to share in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy planting!